Hello guys, and welcome back for another Jasmy price prediction analysis video. And on today's update video, I will be focusing on what I expect to play out on the Jasmy chart on the short term, and above all give you my long-term outlook of the chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the weekly chart, you can see that in 2022 we were stuck in this bear market range that I have highlighted on the charts using that red target area, where the price of Jasmy was stuck within for a period of up to 1 year. Then we finally got our massive break to the upside, where you can see that on that initial pump the market was up more than 20.36% to the upside into the highs we made in June 2024. Then from the highs we made in June 2024, you can see that we got a bit of a breakdown move into the lows we made in August 2024, where the market from those highs up here was down more than 65.02%. Then from the lows we made in August 2024, we got these bounce to the upside into the highs we made in December 2024, where you can see that at some point the market was up more than to 73.88%. And after making our significant high in December 2024, we started a massive breakdown move, where you can see that at some point this year, and that was on the 10th of October, the market was down more than 93.2%. And that was such a significant drop to the downside, and there's a very high chance that the low is almost in for Jasmy and a bounce is now imminent. And I expect that the moment we get a reversal to the upside, breaking above key areas of resistances and significant highs, and maybe at some point we test the highs we made in December 2024, at some point I expect the market will be up more than 1420.11% to the upside, which means that we can easily be able to catch more than a 10x to the upside in the next coming days here on the Jasmy chart. And for that movement to play out, we first need to see a break above a very significant high that we have here on the charts, and that lies above the 0.02144. The moment we manage to break above that significant high, flipping it back into support maybe with a retest, there's a very high chance that we can continue pushing even higher, testing out the highs we made in December 2024. And I expect that the moment we manage to flip this key area back into support, that will be the first indication that the bulls are getting back into the markets and they are now ready to push the price even higher, targeting the December 2024 highs. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. Here on the 1 hour chart, I have this edge structure that I have been observing from the lows we made on the 4th of November 2025, where you can see that I have been terming this initial bounce over here as the formation of that first wave. Then we got our pullback in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas, then got another bounce to the upside in the formation of this third wave, and the minimum target areas for that wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the fibs to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave, and the fib level 1.618 above the 0.01087 was my first target area, an area that we didn't quite fully maximize, though we came so close to it, making a high above the 0.01066. Then we started a bit of a slight pullback over here in the formation of this wave 4 that I expected is going to continue holding within this yellow target area between the 0.0986 and the 0.0962. And you can see that at some point we saw a break to the lower side of that target area, though I'm still giving this edge structure the benefit of doubt because we have continued to hold above the wave 1 high. The moment we lose the wave 1 high, that is the moment that I will consider that we have now hit total invalidation of this additive structure right here. And at that point, I will term these bounds as an ABC corrective bounds before maybe we can get another structure to the downside in the next coming days. So that means that if I'm giving this additive structure the benefit of doubt, that means that we can easily get one more new bounce in the formation of this wave 5 to complete that 5 wave structure to the upside from the lows we made on the 5th of November 2025. And if that is the case, we first need to see a break above the significant high we made in the formation of this third wave above the 0.01066. So in the next coming hours, if we continue pushing higher, watch for a break above that significant high, flipping it back into support. And the moment that plays out, then watch out for Jasmy to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 5, which can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then connecting the fibs all the way to the high we made in the formation of that third wave, and also doing the fib level 0.618, which lies above the 0.01154, will be my first target area. So that is the price action that I expect here on the Jasmy chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.